day, students. You are welcome to our technical drawing class today. Today we are continuing on the topic we have been discussing, building construction, and we want to concentrate on wall. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to state and explain type of wall, also to explain bonding of wall and the type of bonding that we have. Wall is a vertical solid part of a building through which the total load from the roof is transmitted to the foundation. Wall can be hollow or solid. When you build a house or a building with blocks like this, you can have hollow wall, and with a brick, you have solid wall. Let's look at the type of walls that we have. Traditional wall, they are the one made of mud, that is mixture of ordinary soil from the ground. Then we have block wall like this, concrete wall made of sand, cement, and granite. Timber wall, we call it the wooden wall. Masonry wall refers to the building made of stone, while we have glass wall and of course the metal wall. Bonding is the arrangement of block or bricks so that a block rests on at least two others. Look at this diagram. This diagram of unbonded wall, and look at bonded wall. An unbonded wall, you can see all the lines, they are arranged together. And so if a load is placed here, if a load is placed here, it will break the wall. But if the load is placed on top of this wall, the whole weight will spread along the whole, because this block is resting on two others. So this is a bonded wall, and you can join blocks together with what is called mortar. So in between them, this joining together to join the blocks, we call it mortar. Mortar is used to hold blocks together, and it's a mixture of sand and cement. Let's quickly look at types of bonding that we have. We have the stretcher bond, the header bond, we have the Flemish bond, and of course we have English bond. Now, the stretcher and header bond, they are single block type like this, while the English and Flemish bond, they are double block type. That is, you arrange double blocks, but the coaches on top of each other, they change the direction. So I think we'll stop here for today. So when we get to our Google Classroom, we are going to discuss it in detail and together with all the relevant material attached. So thank you, and God bless you.